Okay, good. Play. Here's your red levels. Guys. Ooh. Ooh. I wonder how this is gonna turn out. Whoa. Thanks for playing. Yeah, that was so good. I don't even know how to explain it. It was so good. Die. That seems like a good route to do. Oh, lag. It's only happening because I'm like posting a video right now. Yeah, I like this. Not really. At least it's realistic, but whoa, look at that flag go. Oops, swing red. Neon pogo, neon jumping. Fail. I'm gonna be a failure. Oh, I'm a fail. Simple. I want to be fantastic. Oh, I wanted to be fantastic. Yes. Yes. Oh. Yes. Yeah. I want to be great. Oh. Oh, I sounded this. Great. Oh, crap. Great. No. Don't rip my head off. I swear I'm like gonna be freaking mad if it rips my head off. Because only. At least it didn't rip my head off, right? Yeah. I'm fantastic. I want to be fantastic. No, I want to be great. No, I wanted to be great. This guy made the shovel too hard for a beginner like me. Did you hear that? And the bird breath! Oh my gosh. Oh my god. And if you're wondering what that sound is in the background, that's just my dad watching the Sons of Anarchy. No, I don't. Okay, that level's like gonna make me mad. Ooh. Sure, I'll be this guy. Ooh, yeah. Yeah. Why is... Oh my gosh, lag. Speeding up now. Yes. No! Ninja Man. Ugh. How that must hurt. Next to menu. Rooftop rock. Okay. Whoa. Whoa. I don't really get the message of that level. Hexagon vehicle. Dad, are you sure this is a good idea? Yes, I'm very sure. Because we're in a giant octagonal thing. Or hexagon thing. I'm really bad at geography. I was last year though. I was very good last year. Yeah. Grand Crabs, what are you doing? Don't kill yourself. I didn't really get very much. Hardest glass break by someone else. I don't even know. Are you sure that's that hard? Oh my gosh, he thinks this is hard? Are you really doing glass breaks? Just this. You just run into a bunch of glass. Yeah. Simple. Like, seriously. That's really all you do. Oh, well, this part is hard. A little bit. Yeah. Slowly break down glass. No, I'm gonna break it. I'm gonna break it. Yeah. Yeah. How do I do this? I'm curious. I hope there's not spinning glass. Otherwise, that'll make me angry. Oh my gosh. How quick is this glass? Mad. That's still solid. Now. Okay. Like that. Boom. Oh, thought maybe that would work. Yes. Yeah. Oh, wait, this is actually really hard. Kind of. Well, it's irritating, but it's not hard. Just ignore the stuff at the top. It's just and the bottom because that's just random crap. And I'm also going to give you a sneak peek of my video that's posting. Fun with Friends episode 1. Yeah, Haji1902, he already left, sadly. Yeah. Ow! I must break the glass. Ah, okay, that's cool. Kill them all. Why? What did they ever do? Am I supposed to suck them up? Am I like eating their legs with my lawnmower? I don't get it. I really don't get it. Wow. Santa, stop being chewed on. No, I don't want to eat Santa. I don't want to eat Santa. Stop it. Santa. No. What the heck is going on now? I don't get it. I really don't get that. I really don't get this level. It's really inappropriate to me. 2 one at a time, come on. Oh, great, now I'm sucking in their body parts again. I don't like that. Ah, disgusting. I don't want to kill you. I promise. I just don't. I'm sorry, I don't. All I'm doing is trying to run out of Santa Claus. Actually, that's the real part of what I'm trying to do. Oh, I hate this level. There. Now we don't have to kill them. They just kill themselves. Hard level. And to die. I like that game. It is actually pretty fun. One level clear. Yeah, this so very good. Thank you. Okay, so I guess that'll be the end of this episode, and goodbye.